Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you a fun trick how to change your CPU detail on your PC to prank your friend. Even if you have an older PC, you can modify the spec to make it look cool, like you have a high-end processor. First, let's check my current CPU spec. As you can see, my processor is an Intel Core i5 with 6th generation. But we are about to change that. Now follow the step carefully. Press Windows plus R on the keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Type regedit and hit Enter to open the registry editor. Once inside the registry editor, go to Hardware, Description, System, Central Processor. You will see that my CPU is still showing as an Intel Core i5 6th generation. Now let's change it to make something better. So I asked ChatGPT to suggest the better spec. Give me an Intel Core i9 CPU spec in the same format as. Okay. And now ChatGPT recommend an Intel Core i9 with 11th generation. So I can copy it. Now follow the step, locate the CPU detail in the registry editor. Replace the current value with the spec that I copy. And make sure that to modify all in type from 0 to 3 to apply the same spec everywhere. And now we are done. Now let's check our CPU specs again. It now say Intel Core i9 11th Gen. This is a fun way to prank your friend into thinking you have a high-end PC. But keep in mind, this is just a visual change. If you restart your PC, the spec will go back to the normal. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. See you in the next video. Good luck.